Hello everyone, I am Reshma Totare, working as Assistant Professor in Information Technology Department. In previous session, we have discussed File Transfer Protocol Client and Server Communication. In today's session, we will discuss about File Transfer Protocol commands. File Transfer Protocol uses control connections to establish communication between the client control process and the server control process. During this communication, the commands are sent from client to the server and the responses are sent from server to the client. Commands which are sent from FTP client control process are in the form of ASCII uppercase, which may or may not followed by an argument. The commands are divided into total 6 categories: access command, file management command, data formatting command, port defining command, file transfer command, and miscellaneous command. Now we will discuss one by one all the commands. First, access command. This command let the user access the remote system. User command describe user information. Pass command password. ACCT command describe the account information. RE reinitialization. Quit represent logout of the file system. ABOR abort the previous command. Now we'll see file management command. CWD represent change into the another directory. CDUP command represent change to parent directory. DELE command represent delete a file. List represent list subdirectories or files. And list represent list subdirectories or file without attribute. MKD represent create a new directory. PWD represent display name of current directory. RMD represent delete a directory. RNFR represent identify the file to be renamed. RENTO represent rename the file. SMNT represent mount a file system. Now we'll see data formatting command. These commands let the user define the data structure, file type, and transmission mode. The defined format is then used by the file transfer command. First command, type. Define the type. The various types are there: ASCII, ABCD, image, non-print, and telnet. This type command represent the type of the file. STRU command represent define organization of a data, which is in the form of file, record, or page. Mode represent the transmission mode, stream, block, or compressed. Now we'll see port define command. This command defines the port number for the data connection on the client side. These are two methods. There are two methods. In the first method, using the port command, the client can choose an informal port number and send it to the server using passive open. The server uses that port number and create an active open. In a second method, using PASV command, the client just asks the server to first choose port number. The server does a passive open on that port and send the port number in the response. First command, port. Client chooses a port number. PASV command, server chooses the port number using PASV command. Now we'll see file transfer command. This command actually let the user transfer file. RETR command is used to retrieve a file. File are transferred from server to the client. STOR command store file. File transfer from client to the server. APPE command is used to represent similar to, it is same like a store command, but if the file exists, data must be appended to it. STOU command same like a store command, but file name will be unique in the directory. ALLO command allocate a storage space for file at the server. REST command is used to represent position file marker at the specified data point. Stat command is used to represent return status of the file. Now we'll see miscellaneous command. This command deliver information to the FTP user at the client side. Help command, it asks information about the server. Noob command check if the server is alive. Site command is used to specify the site specific commands. Syst command asks about operating system used by the server. Thank you.